Get a frying pan, don't turn the heat on yet, and melt 4 tablespoons of butter and pour that in. Then add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cut up, crush or mince 2 cloves of garlic and add that. Add a few grinds of sea salt, a few grinds of pepper, just mix this together a little bit. Now get your fish fillets. I'm using Perch. Whatever you want to use is fine. Yum. I like to get the juice on top of the fish. Now all you have to do is cook this as you normally would. If you've never cooked a fish this way, just leave this as is for about 1.5 minutes, then turn it over, and then keep turning it about every 60 seconds. This should only take about 6 minutes to 7 minutes to cook. Every time you turn it, try and flick as much of the lemon butter garlic sauce on here as you can. Yum.